you asked me as a little girl what qualities my future husband would have, I would have told you loyal, kind, with witty humor and a strong sense of determination. I would have described him as a family man who is deep-rooted in his beliefs and his values. My younger self would be really proud standing up here with you today. I could talk forever about all the things I love about you. I love the way your voice goes high-pitched when you talk to the dogs. I love the way you always call me on your way home to say, I'm en route. I love that your favorite thing to do on a Friday night is to get dinner and watch a movie. I love that you celebrate me on my birthday and every other day of the year. And how you accept me for exactly who I am, even if I make you shake your head at times. I love the family you bring with you and how I've always felt a part of it. I remember early into our relationship, sitting together at Kingston Coffee House across from Market Square. You gave yourself heart palpitations after adding a triple espresso shot to your coffee. And I couldn't stop laughing.
Did that.
I remember thinking to myself, I could get used to this. Justin, you have given my heart a home, and I promise to always protect and cherish yours. Not because I have to, but because I'll always want to. I love you so much. Whew.
Emily, I knew from the moment I met you that eventually we'd be standing here today. I'm not sure if it was your infectious smile, your warm, caring personality, or the fact that you ordered me enough Greek food to feed a small family of 4 on our first date. But somehow, I knew our paths would lead here. You're my motivation, my guiding light, and the thing that makes all the late nights and early mornings worth it. You have all the qualities of what one would want in a wife. You're truly beautiful, both inside and out. You're smart, caring, dedicated, selfless, and your presence alone makes everyone's day brighter. I promise to always maintain a house full of love, laughter, support, and stability. And lastly, no matter what the obstacles might come our way, I promise to always give our relationship the time it deserves to continue to flourish. I'm excited to grow our family together, to achieve our individual and shared goals, and to be the best husband I can be.
Holy shit! Wow!
I know the future has a lot in store for us, and there is no one else I'd rather spend it with. I love you forever and always.
Emily has captured our heart from the day she was born, and even more as I look at you today and see the happiness and love you share with Justin on this very special day. I feel so lucky for us to be your father and mother and be able to reflect on these memories and know that you'll always be our little girl, our princess.
Justin, I want to thank you for taking such good care of my best friend. I will forever know that she is protected, cared for, heard, and deeply loved knowing she's with you.
Justin looked like he had served some real time. Justin looked like he was, making pension contributions. He had a few mortgages and some mouths to feed at home. Not your average 19-year-old, and now that I think about it, he looked a little bit like Liam. And accompany you through this journey of life. Emily, I just want to thank you from us, from all of us. Thank you for being the partner that you are. Thank you for loving our Beau the way that you do. We are so grateful, and we're so happy that he's in these caring hands for the rest of his life, and we don't have to worry about him. We can keep beating on him because we know that when he comes home, you'll be there, and it's okay. So thank you. Really appreciate it.
And with that, I'd like to raise a toast to Emily and Justin.
There's no better two people who deserve the love you found in each other. Cheers, and thank you.
Because of you, I finally see straight away.